Hello and welcome to Learn Danish Now 365. My name is the Nordic Educator. I will guide you through the Danish language, step by step, calmly and clearly. Let's begin with some common Danish verbs. At æde, to eat, used for animals or informally for humans. At ældre sig, to grow older, to age. At ende, to end, to finish. At ære, to honor, to respect. At æske, to ask, to demand. At estimere, to estimate. At ækvivalere, to be equivalent to. At æde sig mæt, to eat until full. At ære sig selv, to honor oneself. At æde op, to eat up, to consume entirely. At æde meget, to eat a lot. Learning Danish is not about perfection. It's about practice, patience, and progress. Keep listening, keep repeating. You're building not just words, but confidence. Thank you for learning with Learn Danish Now 365. Let's continue this journey, one word at a time.